Hello, for a couple of weeks we've been looking at forms and we have been considering the input type. We looked at several of them and we looked at text area, we looked at the submit, and then the text area, submit, and then the radio buttons. So here we are going to look at something quite different and still on the forms. Here we are going to look at the date input and the number input. Well, when we look at the code that I've just made here, I've tried to introduce the statement that I want the website user to read, and actually it's a commanding statement. It shows the website reader where the information is putting is talking about. So here I've said enter the day you want to travel to the ICT concert. Alright, so I still use the same thing. I come and use the input, but this time the type is date, and the name I can give it day, but as I told you, this shouldn't be our main concern as per now. We shall look at it when we are dealing with JavaScript and the server side, right? So when I do this, it means I'm going to put here the date, right? The type is the date, okay? Then I can break this because I want this to appear on another line. I can come and then say number of days. I input the code, and that is input. Type is number, and name is num days, like number of days. Still, we looked at this earlier. You can set the minimum and the maximum. So I've set the minimum number of days as 1 and the maximum number of days as 7. So our agents will know that you probably want to travel to the ICT concert, but then you should not you should not stay there for more than 7 days. And if you're to do that, then maybe you have to have a different arrangement with them, and that is it. Okay, so we can now go ahead and then save our code. To saving our code, then we come and test it out. We refresh. Alright, there we go. So we realize that we have made a code that's going to show the date and then the number of days. So you just come here on the date, and then you come aside here. You can see the symbol, right? There's a symbol of a calendar here, so you can click there, right? And then today I'm doing this on 14th June, but probably I may wish to visit the ICT concert tomorrow, which would be 15th, so I can hit 15th June 2022. And then the number of days I want to spend there, I can choose using the upper arrow. I can simply type in I want to spend there 5 days, and that's all. It's holding the data that I wanted. Okay, so when I come and increase to 7, it will accept, but above 7 it will not. Why? Because we gave it a minimum range of 1 and a maximum of 7. I think you get a difference there. You can even just type in other numbers. 12, 123 you hit, it will tell you that the value must be less than or equal to 7. However, with the JavaScript, we realize that we can be able to prevent this. Even just mere typing, it will only stop at 7 in the later times. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to catch up with you in the next videos. Bye bye.